Paglalaman na tayo, Aston. We bloom and shine. We are Aster. Hello. Good evening, everyone. I'm Aster Kian.
Hello po, I'm Master Charlie. Magandang hapon po, I'm Master Tati.
What is up, everyone? I'm Master G.
Hello everyone, I'm Master Alas.
Hello, everyone. I'm Master Lawrence.
Hi everybody, this is Aster Wayne.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo. Ako po si Aster Lloyd.
Hello everyone, this is Aster Jem.
What's up guys, ako po si Aster Miguel.
And hello, everyone. This is Aster Craig. Para sa mga hindi po nakakakilala sa amin, once again, we are Aster. We are 12 people boy group. Unfortunately, wala lang po yung isa sa amin, si Aster Kill, kasi nasa Cebu.
Kulang kami.
Nasa kaso na po. Pero rest assured, nagbibigay po namin ng 12 and 100% performance ng Aster. And of course, with Cream Lips.
Tama yung sinabi ni leader ni Pero gusto kong marinig sa Twinkles mismo na gusto niyo ba yung get to know them? So hindi lang po yun yung mga performances namin tonight. Meron pa kami mga inihanda para sa inyo, di ba? Aster?
Yes, of course.
Ay,
Dito ba na yung ihiyas din? Ano yung
hello, yes.
ay, shout out to you. Ayan, so...
Ayun.
Ayun.
So,
Ayan.
pinafort po namin kanina, isa pong cover dance naming Aster from SB19 and to.
At kung hindi niyo po may tatanong, ayan, gusto po namin magpasalamat, of course, sa Keiko Philippines. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa mga pumusuo ng Keiko Philippines.
Yeah.
And alam niyo ba guys, meron kami ipa-perform ngayon.
Ano yung i-perform?
Bagong-bago ipa-perform natin.
Bago-bago ba yan?
Bagong-bago.
Ano ba yan? Ano ba yan?
Kasi pangalawang beses pa lang namin ito ipa-perform. Alam niyo ba kung ano yun?
Nakita ko na.
Ito hindi halata sa suot namin.
Sigaw mo nga! Ano ba yan? Isa pa nga!
Ito yung tama sa ating gabi naman.
Bali kayo, pero siya pala yung gusto.
Yung damit ka title.
Yes, pero ito, ayan, the title of this song is Feel the Wind. We made this song for Heroes. Are you ready?
Yes,
Yes.
We're born ready.
We're ready.
Yeah, yung next naman po itong Creams. Kaya thank you so much for Kiko family. And guys, don't forget to check our, TikTok shop, mga shops namin para bumili ng mga products, okay?
Ayan, Kuya Dad, speaking of products, speaking of Keiko and Cream Loose, ayan, so we're gonna thank everyone sa lahat po ng mga sumusuporta. At bumubuo sa Keiko Philippines, we want to thank Filipinas Collectibles and Antique Society. Ayan, maraming salamat po for having us here. And of course, to our president of Keiko, Mr. Paul Lee, thank you so much. Paul. And of course, to Miss Horinda Yao from Keiko Cream Loose, maraming salamat. We wouldn't be here if weren't you guys. Kaya maraming salamat po.
And to all mall goers po, yan, today is your last day po to check the Collectibles and Antiques Convention. Kaya pumunta na po kayo dito, and yan, mamili na po kayo ng mga anting pala yung mga antique items. And syempre may mga, may mga experts tayo dyan na pwede nyo pagtanungan ng, ay, valuable ba itong item na to? So kaya po kayo dyan, yung mga nanonood sa taas, ground floor and sa upper box, bumaba na po kayo dito. Kaya para po i-check ang ating FCAS. Yes, great, let's go!
And yes, if you guys didn't know, Cream Loops is now available in all landmark supermarkets, and also it's also on Pure Gold, and syempre hindi mawawala yan sa TikTok shop. Kaya mag-check out na kayo as soon as possible.
Tama yun, guys. So, I hope you can also follow Keiko on all their social media platforms. Ayan, so, I think mag-move on na tayo, Aster.
Yes.
Move on na tayo. Okay lang ba? So, kanina nag-cover tayo ng SB19 songs. And then right now, SB19 song, ayan, thank you, Leader Neil. So, right now, Ngayon ay may ipaperform po namin one of the tracks from our full-length album. Ayan, called Talayag. We're going to perform Layag! Naglag sila.
Ilan po?
Ayun
Ayun,
po.
bago po tayo mag-perform, Master, no? Gusto ko lang ipagmalaki ng Talayag album, gaya po ng kuya namin na SB19. Kami po mismo ang nagsulat from composing, songwriting, at paggawa ng choreography kami po lahat. Kasi gusto po namin na lahat ng ilalabas po namin ng art and craft ay galing mismo sa puso po namin. Kaya sana, masuportahan niyo po ang Aster and syempre ang album namin na
Talayag!
Nasa Spotify na po.
It's out now, guys, in all digital streaming platforms. So I hope you can support.
So guys, kung may mapapansin kayo later habang nagpe-perform kami, nagsisiksikan kami. Just bear with it. Diba? Just bear with it.
We love performing.
Yeah, we love
At
performing.
ganito
Kaya
yung
kahit ganito pagkakasya namin for you guys.
Yeah, gagawin pa rin namin yung best namin.
Yeah.
Tama, tama.
So,
Ready
as-
na kayo, Master?
Ready
Yeah,
na,
ready na.
Ready na.
So this is our track from the Layag.
Layag, people, we bring in shine. Kami ang
Aster, salamat po!
Before po kami bumaba, picture taking po muna tayo. Ayan,
And so, pahabol lang po kami ng promotion on August 30, 2025. We'll be having our first ever fan tent for our first anniversary of our debut and our togetherness with Twinkles. Maraming salamat po, August 30.
Yeah, kung bago mga kayo twinkles, okay lang yun din kayo para feeling nyo matagal na kayo.
And sa lahat po ng gusto bumili ng tickets, nakapost lang po ito sa aming official social media. Just search _Aster OFC.
Hanggang ngayon, sale pa rin yung tickets na.
Yes.
On sale.
Yes, so
Kaya
August
naka-off.
Nakadiscount,
Nakadiscount.
yes, nakadiscount.
Kung gusto niyo naman guys ng physical ticket, napunta po yung head admin namin, may dala silang mga tickets.
Yes. Gusto ko kami ng ticket dito po.
Picture taking niyo tayo.
Let's go! Let's go!
Guys, medyo pakitalog nyo kami ng